The water cycle and precipitation. We experience many kinds of precipitation in our weather. They are all part of the water cycle and could cause interesting, sometimes dangerous events, such as floods and unsafe roadways. The first form of precipitation that most people think of right away is rain. Precipitation that is liquid water is called rain. When rain falls through a layer of freezing air, it turns into ice. This is called sleet. In the winter, some places often see snow. Snow forms when the air temperature is cold enough that water vapor turns directly into ice crystals. The snow is actually a very large number of ice crystals. Hail is round pieces of ice caused when raindrops are coated with water and refreeze. Fast fact, the largest hailstone ever recorded fell in 1970. It weighed nearly 1 kilogram, which is equal to 2 pounds. Finally, hail, round pieces of ice, is a form of precipitation you might see at any time of the year. Hail is formed in stages. First, falling rain freezes, forming ice. Then, the ice falls through a warmer part of the air where raindrops coat the ice. The hailstone then is carried upward where the air is cooler and frozen again. Each time this happens, the hailstone gathers another layer of ice before falling to earth.